Islamic State is the final goal.
I feel like I am lost.
पहले हमको इसमें बहुत सारे काम है, हमारे को रिसोर्स भी चाहिए, इसलिए हमारे हमको एक ट्रस्ट देना।
Love jihad is also there. Love jihad is the way only. 7 lakh rupees offering.
What is the love jihad?
मेरी बुरहन वाला सकीरना है।
मस्जिद होना चाहिए, अकोमोडेशन होना चाहिए, किचन पूरा होना चाहिए, ऐसा एक
तो रजिस्ट्रेशन में हमें ये नहीं दिखाना है कि हम कन्वर्जन करेंगे।
नहीं।
Namaste. Welcome to Nava Bharatam. What I am going to tell you today is a very serious thing, and that is love jihad. When you hear this, do not come to the conclusion that I am anti-Muslim. We all have to see that any act that takes place in any religion without our knowledge and also against our will as evil. So, do not come to an opinion until you have done this video completely. I will tell you a few things now, showing you all the evidences of what I am going to tell you. Love jihad. Let's take a look at where this love jihad was actually started, how it is getting transformed, and how it is breaking up our growing country. What exactly is this love jihad is all about? To enslave a girl or a boy with a sweet bond of love, marrying them and bringing them completely into their bondage, and then forcibly convert them into the religion they believe in. I do not want to say specifically in which religion it is mostly happening right now. Mentally, no one has a problem with them converting, but they are forced to change their religion. Converting thousands of non-converts, no matter how many times they are forced. If they are not listening, then killing them and chopping them into pieces and then dumping them in remote areas. Love jihad is committing various acts like setting fire to a house while the one they have married is still alive while they are in it. Where does this happen? You may tell me to not to utter whatever that comes into my brain, but hey, I will show you the real evidences now. In fact, the existence of love jihad officially emerged in our state of Kerala. In Kerala, college-educated girls were brutally murdered once after they got married in the name of love, and if they didn't get converted to their religion. Some of the girls also converted in this evolutionary process. The main reason is that they have nude photos and videos of these girls.
Such a thing happens, they can't even go back to their families. All they have is these sort of people. And there's an element of fear also. Once you are inside that, they have photos, they have videos and whatnot. Everything is there. They can't just step out of a trap. Their head is already in it. That is what happens in most of the...
I'm not just talking about Hindus here. It is very sad that such incidents happen without having the knowledge of what many innocent Muslims are doing. Likewise, the Christians are also trapped in this love jihad trap, and many are still experiencing hell even on today. In Kerala alone, thousands of cases have been registered in the name of love jihad. The number of victims in Mangalore is also very high. Have you ever had a thought about who is the mastermind behind all these events? And that mastermind name is PFI. India Today carried out a sting operation on this PFI. Once you watch the video carefully,
Islamic State is the final goal. PFI and Satya Sarani hidden motive is to establish Islamic State in India or all over world?
All over world. That's the motive of all Muslims here.
All over world?
All over world. Why only in India? After making India an Islamic state, and they will go to other states.
if you look at the words in this video, he says, without any shame, he bluntly says that we will do love jihad not only in India, but also in foreign countries to make them as our Islamic states. If I have started telling you that how far these PFI links actually extended, you will definitely go insane. Once you see this article, This, the PFI, they go to Islamic countries and work for the Islamic countries. This is a fact that confirmed by the government of Kerala. Not only this, they are the only reason for the riots in Delhi over the CAA in our country. Take a look at this article. Most of the people who join ISIS from our country are majorly from Kerala. For this very reason, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has also set up a cabinet just to look into such matters. They keep watching the analogy. The main purpose of this cabinet is to keep a close eye on their Facebook and Twitter posts and their complete behavior. What we know based on this article is a large percentage of the youth in Kerala, especially the Muslim youth, are inclined to join ISIS or they have already joined. If you are just thinking that it's just happening there and not at your place, then remember, my boy, it would not take long for that horror to reach your door, oh my friend. Awake, oh dear, be alert. That's the only Sri Rama Raksha for us. What do you think this actual love jihad has to do with ISIS? Whoever is trapped in this love jihad will be sent there. Part of their strategy is to include their offspring in ISIS, or to tell you in simple, they will have kids and they train them and motivate them with all policies, and then they will tell them to return to our country.
पहले हमको इसमें बहुत सारे काम है, हमारे को रिसोर्स भी चाहिए, इसलिए हमारे हमको एक ट्रस्ट देना,
वो सब बन जाए
प्राइमरी स्टेज ट्रस्ट में 15-16 पीपल है तो काफी।
जी जी बताइए।
बाद में हमको एक जगह फिक्स करना है, एक कैंपस में पूरा फैसिलिटी होना चाहिए, नमाज के लिए मस्जिद होना चाहिए, अकोमोडेशन होना चाहिए, किचन पूरा होना चाहिए, ऐसा एक वेल फर्निश्ड इंस्टीट्यूट होना चाहिए। उसके बाद हमको रजिस्टर करना है, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से रजिस्टर करना है, सोसाइटी रजिस्ट्रेशन एक्ट पर ट्रस्ट जैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है।
ठीक है।
इसमें हमारे कुछ रिसोर्स होने चाहिए पढ़ाने के लिए, फील्ड में जाने के लिए कुछ रिसोर्स।
मतलब रजिस्ट्रेशन में हमें ये नहीं दिखाना है कि हम कन्वर्जन करेंगे।
नहीं,
लेकिन कन्वर्जन कैसे होगा फिर?
कमीशन के लिए हम पूरा इस्लाम सिखाने के बाद नमाज पढ़ना है, नमाज पूरा सिखाने के बाद सर्टिफिकेट भी देना है।
अच्छा, वो सारा काम आप करेंगे, काउंसलिंग वगैरह?
करना है।
Once you look at this chart, you can see how the number of Muslims has been increasing over the past 5 to 6 years. At the same time, the number of Christians and Hindus are declining. How is that possible? Either Hindus or Christians have to stop having children, or they have to change their religion and have children. Because the order of creation does not stop though. It's not just me who is telling you all this. You better go and Google yourself once and type love jihad, and you will see dozens of things, news and horrific things there. Take a look at some of the videos.
उसको एक डायरी हमको मिला, उसको एक फेसबुक पोस्ट भी मिला, उसमें एकदम एक अनपढ़ ये चिगड़ी बिगड़ी ये अमाओं कबूतर सबको जैसा मालूम जैसा है, उसमें वो सब उसको पोस्टिंग में पूरा कश्मीरी बुरहान वाला सकीर नायक ये सब अपना इंडिया के अगेंस्ट है। वो पूरा एक फिल्म पिक्चर देखेगा, हमारा बहुत खतरनाक आदमी हो गया। I feel like I am lost. I am totally lost in my own world of fantasy, and I don't know when I will come back to reality of that person completely influenced my life.
Love jihad is there. Love jihad is the way only. Love jihad is there. Money jihad is there. The example for the money jihad I told you now. 7 lakh rupees offering.
What is the love jihad?
Love jihad means using the mask of love. A boy flirting with a girl in the beginning stage, as usual in film and all we are seeing. a boy going behind a girl and flirting with her and proposing her. After girl will not agree for the love, and after few days feeling sympathy on him, girl will accept the love.
We have so many raw facts, so many hard facts, so much of evidence, but to Wikipedia, love jihad seems like just a conspiracy theory, and it looks like a thing created by Hindus specifically. Do you know why? Because it's the leftists who run Wikipedia. This is not me who is saying that. Wikipedia co-founder Larry Sanger said by himself. Okay, let's take a look at what is being said about love jihad in this Wikipedia itself. We took an old article written by Wikipedia about love jihad, and it was written in 2010. Let's take a look at what's in it. You can read for yourself that it is alleged that a lot of women convert to Islam. Well, let's take a look at a new article just written by this Wikipedia. This article, written on August 5th, 2021, states that love jihad is a conspiracy theory by Hindus. That is to say, in these 11 years, from accusations to conspiracy, those who have committed love jihad will come tomorrow and will hang those who have seen it. And what is there to do as long as there is nothing wrong with what is seen is gone? No matter how many days we trust such Wikipedias, he will continue to write whatever he likes. Think about it once. If a person who doesn't know anything about love jihad, and if he goes to Google and search for the information on Wikipedia, he may think it's just a conspiracy, and I thought it was true. Not only this, if we leave it like this, it will be written that in the next 10 years, there will be terrorists wearing saffron. A small example of this, when Modi ji became the Prime Minister of India in 2014, they wrote an article in which they said that there were also saffron terrorists. There are also terrorists among the Hindus of today. 10 years later, Hindus were written off as terrorists. Write it down. However, as the 2010 allegations led to the conspiracy in 2021, from what is said to be even in saffron today, to rights that they, the saffron wearing, are terrorists. Another example of this, the Taj Hotel shooting in Mumbai that you may not have forgotten. There, Ajmal Kasab had a thread on his hand belonging to a Hindu religion, and an ID card with a Hindu name was also found at him. It's good that he was found alive with us. If that was not enough, then it would have started that the Hindus were the terrorists. Just think about it once. What would have happened to the Hindus if Kasab had died in that shooting? He is a Hindu and he have a thread of Hinduism as well. There is also an ID card in the pocket. What's more they required? The so-called left media would have been making a fuss that Hindus are burning our country. Do you also remember that the Congress wrote a book called 2611, in which they wrote about how the saffron increases the terrorism? And those Bollywood movies and some of the South Indian movies have been doing only one thing. They firmly planted in our brains that not every Muslim is the same. After that, the real terrorist has no religion too. And now they say that the saffron wearing people are terrorists. We should be ashamed. Yes, I am saying that too. We should be ashamed. But hey, not all Muslims are the same. But why can't you find such Muslims and hand over them to us? You will be another Abdul Kalam in our country once you do that. As if the atrocities that take place in our country are not enough, they are creating riots even in the name of religion. We should warn those dogs who are barking among us. And if you think and decide to teach them a lesson, then come, join your hands with us. But please, do not look at those who tell the truth as if he is the thief or a traitor. All this is because it's our country and we have no other intentions than to see our country as safe and as peaceful. And like this Swara Bhaskar, dear Swara, go and play somewhere else. You can't do anything to our country. Share this with everyone. Do not just keep it with you. Jai Hind, Jai Shri Ram.